progress. I'm just going to show you my dad's veggie garden, which he did all by himself because he wouldn't let me do anything. So here, have a look at the garden. Okay, we've got a whole row up the front here of tomato plants. I think there's about 11 tomato plants. Got cucumbers. Yeah, Dad's over there, he's saying cucumbers. Yeah, we got I think there's zucchini, a few cucumbers there. Then we got peppers down the end here. Peppers down the end. Don't look like much now, but once they're fully grown, there won't be any room here at all. That's oregano that was here before. Oregano, yeah, there he is. Oregano. Yes, I'm recording everything. He's asking me, am I recording it? There's a couple more there. I think that's zucchini there. Zucchini, a couple of cucumbers here, I think they are, and a couple of spare tomatoes there. So yeah. And, oh yeah, he wants me to show you the Australian flag. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Say hello to Australia.
Hello Australia.
Hello Australia. There you
Hello
go.
Felici. Hello Lucy.
He's saying hello to his friends in Australia, Philip and Lucy. There you go.
You give a message to Felici.
I'll give a message to Philip. Yeah. What do you want?
Yeah,
Well, I'll let him know. Yep.
Yeah.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.